10 surprising facts about gray hair that 90% of people don't know. Is gray hair actually transparent? Gray hair is colorless. It appears white because of light reflection. Seems surprising, right? Can stress really cause gray hair? Yes, stress can speed up the process of graying. Taking care of your mental health is just as important for your hair. Can your hair color return? With the right nutrients, gray hair can sometimes return to its original color. It's hard to believe, but it can happen. Does smoking cause more gray hair? Smoking affects circulation, which means hair isn't getting the nutrients it needs. Quitting smoking can help keep your hair healthy. Did people in history care about gray hair? In ancient times, gray hair was often seen as a sign of wisdom. But some cultures had surprising ways to dye or hide it. Do animals like dogs and cats get gray hair too? Yes, they do. Just like humans, animals can experience graying as they age. Does hair turn gray overnight? There's a legend called Marie Antoinette syndrome, where extreme stress supposedly turns hair white overnight. While not entirely true, stress can accelerate graying over time. Can you pluck gray hairs to stop them? Plucking gray hairs doesn't stop them. It's a myth. In fact, it can damage the hair follicle and lead to hair thinning. Does UV damage affect gray hair? Gray hair has no melanin, which makes it more vulnerable to UV damage. That's why protecting your hair from the sun is so important. 3 simple ways to improve gray hair. Boost your diet. Add foods rich in copper, zinc, and vitamin B. These nutrients help support melanin production. Scalp massage. Gently massage your scalp to improve circulation. This helps deliver nutrients directly to your hair roots. Switch to natural shampoo. Avoid harsh chemicals. Natural shampoos are gentler on your scalp and promote healthier hair. Or do you have any interesting stories about gray hair? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them.